This is my helicopter. I had it about a year and I thought I got to try to figure out how to put a motor or something inside there to make those blades go around. And also, I always see airplanes in the sky at night, or even helicopters. One side is green and the other side is red. So I really didn't understand what that meant. So my neighbor that's been helping me, his son is in the Army and he's in a Black Hawk helicopter. So I got him to explain to me what the difference, why the green and the red on one side or the other. And he was telling me the green is on the right hand side and the red is on the left hand side. So when another plane or helicopter is close, they can determine by those lights which direction this helicopter is heading. So we got the blades going. This was like I say, my first one I put motors in. I thought maybe I could put a motor just inside the helicopter, which just not enough room. So I kept looking and I found these two motors, and I think it had like a 5/32 shaft come out. So I bought some longer shafts, and of course mounted the boards or the motors to a board and drilled some holes through the bottom of the helicopter and fastened them up into the blade, which a little task too, how to fasten that 5/32 to just an open space where the blade comes through. But I got to figure it out. And then I did another soundboard with that one, and this is a helicopter just sitting warming up.